The starter pawl is part of your small engine's starter cup assembly. The pawl is attached to the cup and a spring holds the pawl against the recoil starter. Once the engine is started, the cup rotates and inertia pulls the pawls away from the starter. Over time, the pawls can wear and eventually will begin to slip against the starter. Replacing the pawls is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the starter from the engine. With the starter removed, I have access to the starter pawl assembly. The assembly threads onto the crankshaft. If I try to unthread it, however, the engine just turns over and I can't remove it. So what I'll need to do is stop the piston from moving in the cylinder. To do that, first I'll remove the spark plug. I have a length of starter rope. I'll insert the rope through the spark plug hole into the cylinder. The rope will take up the gap between the piston and the top of the cylinder, so the engine can't turn over. Be sure to leave enough of the rope hanging out so you can remove it later. I'll rotate the engine over until it binds, and now I can unscrew the pawl assembly. I'll use a pair of pliers to remove it. With the pawl assembly removed, now I can remove the damaged pawl and replace it. I'll turn the assembly over and remove the clip from the damaged pawl. I'll rotate it back over and remove the pawl, being careful to not lose the spring. I'll install the spring onto the new pawl, place it back into the cup. Make sure you have both legs of the spring between the pawl and the side of the cup, so the pawl will spring back. And I'll secure it with the clip. With the pawl repaired, now I can reinstall the pawl assembly. I'll thread the cup back onto the crankshaft. And secure it with the pliers. Now I can remove the rope and reinstall the spark plug. And I'll finish up by reinstalling the starter. And that's how you can replace the starter pawl on your small engine. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up.